In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to adjust side mirrors inside of a Kia Picanto. It is super easy to do. So this one in particular is from 2017, but will also work on anyone beyond that and previous versions of the Kia Picanto. So the first thing you need to do is ignite your engine like you usually would with a car. Then from here you'll need to go over to the left hand side and then go over to this panel over here. Now you can see here, you can see the mirror over here, and if you go over and want to adjust the left side, you'll just need to click this over to the left, and then you can choose how you want to adjust it. So if you want to adjust it to the left, you'll just need to click and hold the left button down here, the right button, the down button, and the up button right here. If you want to change side mirrors, you'll just need to click this over to the right hand side and then do the exact same thing. From here you can just put it over to the neutral right here, and then from here you'll have successfully adjusted your side mirrors. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!